Hello everyone! How are you today? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, Emma and Alex met at a cafe. Today, they are meeting again, this time in a park. Try to listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Hey, Emma.
Hey, Alex.
Nice to see you again.
You too.
You made it.
Yeah, I was a bit early, actually.
Oh, really? That's good. This place looks even better in person.
Yeah, especially when the weather is like this.
It feels really calm here.
That's why I like coming here.
So what do you usually do in your free time?
Mostly simple things. Movies, music.
Same here. What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I like dramas and sometimes comedies.
Nice. Comedies are fun to watch. Do you watch movies in English?
Sorry? What do you mean exactly?
Like without subtitles?
Oh, not really. It's still a bit difficult for me.
Yeah, that makes sense. Do you want to sit for a bit?
Yeah, sure.
This bench is nice.
Yeah, and the view is really good.
It's very peaceful here.
Yeah, I like that.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Yeah, I feel the same.
Some days I feel motivated, and other days, not really.
Exactly. What helps you stay motivated?
I think small progress.
Yeah, like understanding more than before.
Yes, that feeling is really nice.
Do you ever feel nervous speaking English?
Honestly, yes, a lot.
Really? You seem calm.
Maybe outside, but inside I'm nervous.
You're doing really well, by the way.
Thanks, that means a lot.
You're more confident now.
I think so too, a little.
Do you want to walk a bit more?
Yeah, let's go.
Maybe next time we can try something different.
Like what?
Maybe watch a movie in English together.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
We can pick something simple.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Great, let's do it.
Sounds good.
Now, here's a question for you. What helps Emma stay motivated when learning English? Write your answer in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.